Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about secure folder. See, secure folder works like uh, different user in Windows. You can use multiple users in Windows. Same ways, you can use two different users in Android. Uh, this is for Samsung users, secure folder. In that, whatever the content will be in secure folder will be not accessible to main Android. And whatever the data in the main Android is not accessible in the secure folder. See, these are mainly used for office users, means whose data is very important. They can use secure folder, or else, as per needed, if you want app lock and all, you can use secure folder to replace the app lock. In this, see, I have already configured secure folder. Uh, you need to configure it from here, notification panel. Here you can get that. Mine is already configured. It will ask fingerprint when you open it. See, these all are the apps which I have added already. If you want to add, you can press on plus. You can download from Play Store or you can download from Galaxy Store. And if you want to add apps from main Android, you can add also. If I want any app from this, I will just click it and click on it. See, this came here in secure folder. In this, these are settings. See, instead of network, here it will be secure folder. I will show customizing also. When we press on three dots, we can sort from here alphabetical order or custom order. It depends on your preference. You can add anything. If you press on lock and exit, secure folder will lock and it will go to home screen. You need to unlock it again. If you are want to give your phone to other person and you don't trust them to give this access, you can just lock it and give your phone to them and encrypt. After encrypting device until you decrypt, no one can access the secure folder data. Even if the your phone get attacked, secure folder where data will be secured. And add files. From here, you can add images, videos, audios, documents, my files. Means whatever the data from main device to secure folder, you can add from here. Just click on here and you have to select the file. It will come in secure folder. You can think this is complete different OS and customizing is done here. Here, secure folder will be returned in your case. You can write anything. I like network, so I will keep network only. And you can customize the color based on your needs. And even you can customize the icons. What icon you need to show in that app icon. That depends on your preference. You can add anything. And if you after customizing it, click on apply. Now in settings, see, from lock type, you can change which lock type you need. Then auto lock secure folder. This decides when the secure folder should lock. Each time I leave an app means if I am using secure folder WhatsApp, I came out from WhatsApp. WhatsApp gets auto locked again. Means secure folder gets auto locked again. When screen turns off, this states if phone gets locked, then only secure folder gets locked. Until that, you can access without biometrics. And after 5 minutes, after screen turns off, it will wait for 5 minutes. Then secure folder gets locked. Same goes for 10 minutes and 13 minutes. When phone restarts, this means until the phone gets restart, the secure folder will be unlocked only. This is your preference at what time secure folder gets locked. Then add secure folder to app screen. This icon, this option is there, no? That will create icon here. If I turn that off, I need to manually on from notification panel. Then notification, hide content. See, because of this toggle is on, whatever the content from secure folder notification will be not visible. See, content is hidden, it's not visible. If I turn this off, it will be visible. Means new notification will be visible if I turn this off. And these are the manual notification access, means you can turn off manually which apps you don't require notification. And if you turn this off and click on this, means whenever the secure folder is active, then all the notification will be visible. When you will lock the secure folder from no notification panel, then your content will be hidden like this. Manage accounts, for there you will find all the accounts, Gmail accounts and all. Restore from backup. In this feature, you can restore all the secure folder data if you kept backup. Then more settings. From here, you can access the Samsung Pass related data and autofill service. Private share, to share privately, and data usage will show you the Wi-Fi usage and data usage of secure folder. Then full screen apps. This depends on apps. Not all apps will have this support, but if this has, you can force apps to view in full screen. And uninstall, to uninstall the secure folder, you can do from there. Then other security. These are the certificates. And see, this feature lets you connect both the contacts from main and secure folder. Means you can access the contacts from main to secure folder. And allow clipboard. From this, whatever you will copy from secure folder or main device, you can paste anywhere, in main device also, in secure folder also. And automatic data decryption. See, whenever the device gets turned off, automatically it will be encrypted. Whenever you will restart it, means the device gets turned on, then automatically the data will be decrypted. Otherwise, you have to manually decrypt it if you turn this off. Then click on advanced settings. Here, show snow button. If you click on this, you can get snows button here. See, if I turn this off, that snows button will be removed. That's it. App icon badges. This decides if you want icons notifications. If you have two notifications, you need to get number as 2 or dot. That decides from this option. You can even turn off if you don't want any means to show number or dots. You don't want those badges, you can turn that off. Manage notification categories for each app. This toggle will help you here. See, in settings, notification categories. These categories are there now. If you turn that off, these categories will be not available. Notification categories. Settings. See, I have turned this off now. Settings. See, that option got disappeared. If you want manually to configure the notification, that on option should be turned on. Yeah. Okay, this is everything about secure folder. Thank you for watching, guys.